Here is a reaction video of PWF conference which is held at Bamdi PCI. So here on this video, the main actor, I should say the main actress is Ms.Jelida And Ms. So in the absence of me, they took a part of it. So I'm going to show how they are reacting in the absence of me. So here we go. Oh sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. Here I am the host of this channel, Mr. Jelida, and he's Mr. Hangsa, and he's Mr. Haisuibe, and he's the one, Mr. So we are going to watch together. I hope it is first time for them, so they are a bit nervous. So this video is taken from PCI Bamdi. It is a PWF conference come Silver Jubilee of PWF Private Presbytery.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms.Jelida Ngiayile, for cooperating with me. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest video of our channel. Stay tuned. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.